Hello, Steve Presley here with an update on mortgage loan modifications. I've been going over the Homeowner Affordability and Stability Plan Executive Summary issued by the White House on Friday, February 20th. There's some very good points and interesting things going on in loan modifications. It's changing very rapidly, and I'm doing my best to keep you up to date. Now, I'm going to read directly from the summary. It says, the plan will include households at risk of imminent default despite being current on their mortgage payments. Now what that means, a lot of you have been calling me wanting help, but you weren't behind on your mortgage. And up until now, you weren't even qualified for a loan mod unless you were 90 days past due. This is all going to change. There's something else on the next page. It says, the lenders will receive an incentive payment of $1,500 to mortgage holders if they modify at-risk loans before the borrower falls behind. In other words, the government's actually going to pay the bank $1,500 to modify your mortgage before you get behind. All of this is great news. However, there's something in here that kind of worries me a little bit, but in the long run it's going to be a good thing. It says the Treasury will develop uniform guidance for loan modifications across the mortgage industry, working closely with the bank agencies and building on the FDIC's pioneering work. The guidelines will be used for the administration's new foreclosure prevention plan. What that means is, up until now, every bank did their own thing. There was no uniform guideline to go by, and unfortunately some of the lenders were modifying loans, some of them weren't. But what this is going to do in the short term, it's going to clog the pipeline. Mortgage modifications that are in process now are probably going to come to a screeching halt because they're going to develop the guidelines. They have not developed them yet. So everything's probably going to be put on hold, but that doesn't mean that you don't need to get moving now. If you don't have your kit, go ahead and go to lowermypayment.us now and get yours. I'm going to go over just a couple of things of what you can do right now to get started on your loan mod. If you don't have that kit, go get it and come back. First thing I'm going to go over is the document with the heading Instructions for a Hardship Letter, and then another document with the heading Sample Hardship Letter. Now the hardship letter is probably the most important document that you're going to submit to your lender. So take your time, go over it with care, and prepare that now because you're going to need it. The second thing is the client information / financial statement. It doesn't matter who does your modification, whether you do it yourself, hire a big company, or if you hire me to do it, you're going to need those two things. So go ahead and get those two and get started on those now. Okay, until next time, have a great day.